Niagara Falls. And me? I was sipping my morning coffee on the porch, watching the chaos unfold behind my brand new retaining wall, the same one the HOA forced me to tear down just 3 months ago. The irony was so thick you could butter toast with it. You see, I'd warned them 3 times, sent certified letters, included engineering reports, saved every email. But sometimes you just have to let Mother Nature deliver the punchline. I'm Donnie Carrion, retired structural engineer. Spent 20 years designing buildings before switching to fixing up old houses. When I bought the place on Mountain View Drive in Eagles Crest Estates, I knew the slope was a problem. 40 degrees with expansive clay soil that swells when wet and shrinks when dry. First thing I did, build a simple retaining wall to keep my backyard from sliding into my downhill neighbor's yard. 3 feet of reinforced stone. Functional, attractive, topped with lavender. The bees were happy, so was I. Then came Karen Littlewood, HOA president, wedge heels, clipboard, and all the charm of a citation notice. "This wall disrupts the visual harmony of the community," she declared. Never mind that my wall matched every other one in the neighborhood. Hers wasn't about safety, it was about power. And lavender, apparently, wasn't on the HOA's approved floral list. Despite permits, evidence, and logic, I was fined $100 a day until I tore it down. I appealed. I warned them, documented every slope crack and every channel of runoff. Her response? The matter is closed. Then came February, a bomb cyclone, 5 inches of rain in 3 hours. And without my wall, the water didn't slow down. It flowed downhill, straight to Karen's brand new $30,000 infinity pool. The mudslide was biblical. Furniture swept away, boulder-sized decorations tossed like dice. The pool cracked, then collapsed. 20,000 gallons of chlorinated justice flooded her garden, carried her gnomes down the hill, and left a neon pink flamingo stranded in the gutter like a soggy white flag. By the time the fire department arrived, Karen's backyard looked like a war zone. The insurance adjuster didn't need convincing. He said negligence. Her claim? Denied. The HOA's liability coverage? Also denied. They had my emails. The emergency HOA meeting was brutal. Karen showed up with a lawyer who looked like he regretted his career choices. They voted her out, unanimously. Then the county inspector got involved. He said, "They made you remove a retaining wall on a 40-degree slope? That's the dumbest thing I've heard all year."